In this video, I will show you how to set up PayPal. So let's get started. So first thing first, open your PayPal app, click on open. You will see login details and sign up. Click on sign up button. After that, you have to write your mobile number. So write your mobile number and click on next. You will get an OTP on your mobile device. Write your OTP here and click on next. Now once you are on this page, enter your details such as your first name and last name, your email and password. So let me enter some dummy data here for this video. Once done, click on next. After entering all your details, on the next page you have to write your address here. So for this video, let me enter some dummy address here. Let me write my address. Click on next. Once you do that, your final step will be to accept PayPal terms. So finally click on agree and create account. So that's how easily you can set up your PayPal account.